There's a nice walk that goes around the Ala Wai Canal, and it goes to that side of the park. That's the Ala Wai Community Park, I think it's called. This is Kalaimoku Street. If you keep going down Waikiki, you get to Kalakaua Avenue. Well, you go over Kuhio Avenue first, then Kalakaua Avenue. Oh yeah, that's right. It's only one way coming up. But if you go down past Kalakaua Avenue, it goes to turns into Saratoga, and that's where the post office is. Looks like there's all these little babies over there. Look at the traffic cam over there. I think the people living right there, they're like huh? The traffic? Yeah, they can look out the window and go, oh, that's the traffic cam, okay. They just redid the sidewalks over here recently. It was all crumbling. So if it sounds like I'm talking to my wife and telling her things I'm not, I'm talking to you guys. She doesn't care what I'm saying. And she knows all this stuff anyways. Just thought I'd mention that because it sounds like I'm trying to tell her things. When I'm editing the videos, I'm all like, oh, it sounds like I'm trying to tell her things, but I'm actually telling you guys stuff, sorry. Thanks anyways for watching. Ala Wai Canal right here. Would not recommend swimming here. Even though people paddle in here. And then on this side on our left is Ala Wai Boulevard. Again, this area is free parking, but not all the time. You can't leave your car there. You gotta move it at least every Monday and Fridays before 8:30. And I tell you, the residents know this schedule already, so that's prime parking for them. Yeah, there's a lot of people that live in Waikiki too. It's not just visitors. Oh, the stairs are blocked off. What if you have street performers try to perform over there? It's, to me, don't you think it's kind of cool to see houses in Waikiki still? You get every place is like apartments and hotels and high rises, and then you come across like someone's like just single story houses. Yeah. And they shouldn't if they love living in Waikiki. But if they want to make some money and want to retire somewhere else, then you can. I can see why people would want to stay in Waikiki.
Especially if you work in Waikiki.
Oh yeah, especially if you work in Waikiki. Do you enjoy the lifestyle in here? It's not for everyone. And most of the locals here don't want to be here in Waikiki. Yeah, but for a vacation spot, pretty awesome. If you're into hospitality and love to talk story with people and help them, this is the place. If you like the nightlife, entertainment, yeah, all the time, hula, Hawaiian music, all kind of music, in fact, not just Hawaiian music. A lot of different bands. Oh, this one stairs is covered. My feet are sore from Waipahu plantation still, Hawaii plantation.
I can help carry the bag.
Oh, no. The bag's good. Why, are you feeling a little empty? Like you...
No.
Okay, then it's fine. All good. Ah. Nope. Hey look, a single-story building. I see people, they get the what do you call when you like rent a whole house or something?
Yeah.
Or like a whole condo for like that maybe like 3 families can fit in.
Oh.
Instead of, you know, like if you're traveling with your big family or your friends, and
Yeah.
it's kind of nice, you can stay all together instead.
Yeah.
Instead of hotel rooms all over the place. And then you gotta meet up with them. This way you can irritate each other throughout the whole trip, or enjoy each other's company, whatever. I didn't realize that building has a, you see how it has a area that it goes up over the top, like a lid. Huh. Is that the penthouse? Just kidding. Balcony? Oh, shucks. Lois gave me something to give you, flash drive. I gotta give that to you. No, she gave it to me at practice yesterday. I forgot to give it to you. Yeah. It's like, it's in my gray bag. There's Diamond Head. Ala Wai Canal, Ala Wai Community Center, Ala Wai District Park, Ala Wai Community District Park or something. And that side, this is McCully Street. Again, we're on McCully Street. Convention Center's in the middle there across. Ala Canoe Club. This is McCully area, I guess. To the right is Mo'iliili. That building you see over there, the wavy one, that's the Marco Polo. Famous for not having a fire. Yikes. A sprinkler system to put out fires. McCully Shopping Center across there. This is Kapiolani Boulevard we're coming up to. If you take that to the left all the way down, you get to the Hawaii Convention Center and then Ala Moana Center eventually. You like cross here, yeah? No better.
Yeah.
Or you want to go down by Marco Polo?
No, this one. This one's safer, I think.
Marco Polo's okay too. My hand is numb.
Yeah,
No, I got him. And then if you want to go to Don Quixote, you go down Kapiolani Boulevard. And after Kalakaua Avenue, what about this? A Korean? No, that's audible. It's on the right side anyways, after Kalakaua Avenue. What's it called? No, the eating place, the shabu shabu kind of place, the Korean place. You never went there. I went there with Forrest. Huh? Suda. Oh yeah, Suda. Okay, so thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to PhotoLukeHawaii. Share us with other people who might be interested in Hawaii stuff. They miss Hawaii or they want to just see what's going on. A lot of Waikiki stuff. Okay everybody, have a great day. Aloha.